Hello everyone. Welcome back to my drawing video. Today, I drew a cute little cloud with colorful hanging stars. First, I started by drawing the cloud shape using a black marker. Then, I added 4 stars hanging from the cloud: yellow, green, orange, and blue. After finishing the drawing, I started coloring. I colored the cloud light blue to make it look soft and fluffy. Then I colored each star in bright colors to make them shine. Glowing star, doesn't it look so adorable? Smiling face if you like this drawing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cute art. Paint palette sparkling heart.